Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this video, I will explain about how to create an EC2 instance in AWS. So let's get started. Yeah, search EC2, open EC2, virtual services in cloud. Here instances running. So at present 0 instances running. So we will create one instance. So launch an instance. So I am giving name for suppose I want to install this EC2 in Docker. So I am giving Docker, suppose Docker. Suppose I want to install in this EC2 Docker app. So I am giving Docker app. Scroll down. Here, choose operating system. Here, choose operating system and imagine mission image. I'm just default only. I'm not changing default. Please. So next, scroll down. Instance type. If you want, you can change. So create new key pair. So I'm creating. So I am selecting PEM RSA. I'm giving name called Docker app. Suppose example Docker app. Create key pair. It will automatically download here. It is downloaded. Docker app.pem. Scroll down. Here we are in previous video I created security group. So I am selecting that one. Demo. This is where created. And next to scroll down. If you want to configure storage, you can increase. So I am not changing. Here. If you want, you can verify these also. Advanced details. If any domains are there, you can add. I am not changing, remaining anything. Yeah, launch instance. Yeah, successfully launched. Click this. After within 1 minute, it will change instance status pending to run. Wait until this will running. I'm refreshing once. Yeah, it is running now. So click here and instance connect. See here details, instance ID, public IP address. Here username. These are some details. I'm canceling. So this way too we can create EC2 instance in AWS. Thank you for watching.